Here we will write a Python program to convert decimal number to binary using recursion. So in comment line we will write. So we'll define one function with def keyword, convert binary with one parameter. And here we will check if n greater than 1. We will call this function convert binary and will pass n floor division 2 and will print n mod 2. Then we'll accept the decimal number from the user. So num equal to int input enter decimal number and we'll call the function convert binary and we'll pass num as a parameter and we execute this. I will give decimal number as 5. It will print 101. If we want to print it on same line, here we'll use end with space in double quote, and if I execute again, I will give 5. It will print 101. If we don't want to give the space, remove it and execute. It will print 101.